We're seeing more customers that are wanting to go to the cold climate heat pumps due to the rising cost of utility bills. So by the customer choosing the cold climate heat pump, it allows the heat pump to perform at colder temperatures, which is less gas they're using, so that's where they see significant savings. This particular customer went from 3 tanks of propane a year, about 1,500 gallons, to 2 tanks a year, which is about 1,000 gallons. So her savings was close to $1,000. Most of my customers, they really notice nothing different other than a savings in their utility bills. So for somebody that's on the fence about an air-to-air heat pump, with the tax credits and incentives from the utility companies, it almost covers the cost of the heat pump. My name is Joe Pung, owner of Pung Heating and Cooling. We specialize in heat pumps and geothermal.